Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin now. Silence your phone and enable Do Not Disturb so interruptions drop immediately. Once done, keep only the essentials within reach: textbook, notebook, pen, and close unrelated tabs on your laptop. Sit upright with feet grounded. Posture cues attention. Start a 25 to 30-minute focus timer and tell yourself this is the only task for that block. This immediate action reduces decision load and primes your brain to engage with lecture content rather than drift. You now deepen engagement by switching from passive listening to active processing. Use Cornell Notes. Capture main ideas in the note column, write cues in the margin, and reserve the bottom for a short summary. Every 10 to 15 minutes, pose one clarifying question either aloud or in your notes. This forces retrieval and highlights gaps. Make quick 2 to 3 word prompts or tiny diagrams next to concepts so you can recall faster. These moves ensure you process, not just record, the material. You wrap up by speaking a brief summary out loud for 60 to 90 seconds. This consolidates memory and reveals unclear points. Once done, schedule a 10-minute review within 24 hours to strengthen retention. If you find focus slipping, pause and take 3 slow breaths, reset your timer, and remove any newly introduced triggers like notifications or snacks. This quick troubleshooting resets attention without derailing momentum. Make these finish habits automatic, so each class compounds into lasting learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.